Email marketing, leaflets, exhibitions, Facebook, networking, advertising, press releases, the range of marketing tools and techniques seem endless. You may be wondering what to do. Which one should you choose and what works best? All of these techniques work. They can all produce amazing results. But, as you may have guessed, there is no easy answer to your questions. There's no magic mix of promotional activity that will guarantee your business will be a success. It depends on the sort of business you have, who your customers are, and the size of the budget you have available to spend on promotion. There's a list of some of the most popular marketing tools in this module. Instead of going through each one and giving you the advantages and disadvantages, let me give you some broader hints and tips. After all, your success is not dependent on individual activities, but follow these guidelines and you're likely to increase your chances of success. First of all, always aim for the largest potential audience with the least cost. It's easy to waste time and money on things that won't work. And there are plenty of advertising salespeople out there ready to tell you that their publication or website is the best place to spend your money and they'll get you great results. Be careful. Make sure it really is going to reach your target audience and check out if there are other more cost-effective ways of reaching them before committing to the best deal in advertising ever. Don't rely on just one or two marketing techniques either. I'm sure you've met people who say they only use email marketing or I just go out networking. It's smarter to use a range of activities. And mix internet-based activity with the more traditional promotional techniques. For example, a brochure or leaflet may direct people to your website or Facebook page, or your Facebook page may invite people to redeem a voucher in store. It's no good just sending out one email or doing one leaflet drop either. Most of us don't buy the first time we see a product or become aware of a company. So make sure you repeat the activity and give potential customers a chance to see your message. You may want to demonstrate your connection with Wales or use the Welsh language in your promotion. Also, consider cultural, gender and other customer characteristic needs. It can be a big plus for many types of business. Oh yes, and if you're selling to other businesses or to the public sector, make sure you register on online directories like Sell to Wales. You can monitor these sorts of procurement opportunities really easily. Another thing that I would strongly recommend you do is to track what you are doing. When the phone rings, do you know where that inquiry has come from? It's easy enough to put simple measurement and monitoring tools in place. You'll also know then what works and what doesn't. And if something isn't working for you and getting the results you expect, stop doing it and focus on activities that do get results. I hope that's been helpful. Check out the rest of the module for more information and some really useful templates and checklists. I look forward to seeing your products and services out there.